is Hamlata. They are my friends Hansika Aiki. Good morning. Today we are here to present riddles of the day.
Activity.
Here we go. My first riddle is, I have a head and a tail but no body. I repeat, I have a head and a tail but no body. Who am I? Anybody knows the answer? Please come forward. Good morning everyone. My name is Ashrita from 5th standard. The answer is coin. I repeat, coin. Yes, he is absolutely correct answer. Give her a big round of applause. Thank you, friends. Over to my friend Hansika.
Thank you, Hemalata. My riddle is, I am not alive, but I grow. I need air, but I do not have lungs. Who am I? Is anybody knows the answer? Please come forward.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahidara. I am studying 4th standard. The answer is fire. I repeat, fire.
Yes, it is absolutely correct answer. Give him a big round of applause.
Thank you, friends.
Over to my friend Aiki.
Small leader is, I have six faces and 21 eyes, but cannot see. Who am I? I repeat, I have 6 faces and 21 eyes, but cannot see. Who am I? Is anybody knows the answer? Please come forward. Good morning, everyone. My name is Devan. I am studying 4th standard. The answer is a dice. I repeat, a dice. This is absolutely right answer. Him a big round of applause. This is the end of this activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.